You all wait 100 years before opening the aquarium. So we have this artificial coral. It does a lot of the same jobs that real coral does for these fish. In the wild, coral creates micro habitats for smaller fish to hide, places for them to sleep during the day or at night, and lots of opportunities for them to forage, as lots of smaller fish and small animals will sometimes eat coral or will eat the fish trying to eat the coral. So coral reefs are a little bit like rainforests. They create a whole host of different kinds of habitats for fish to live in. Now corals, they are actually an animal, they're not a plant. They're very closely related to jellyfish actually. And if you look at baby corals, if you zoom in really close, you would see little upside down jellyfish looking animals building their reef. Now the coral makes home for algae, that's where they get their brilliant colors from, and that algae makes all of the food for the corals. So it's a little bit of a symbiotic relationship. But if the temperatures of the ocean increase, or if the acidity of the ocean increases, then the coral will start to get stressed out. The coral is made out of a calcium carbonate skeleton, and when the acidity rises, that is not very good for them. They can get stressed out, and so they will reach their algae. The algae will leave the coral, and they'll be left white and weak. Once that happens, the coral doesn't really have any more food, and it will just slowly start leaving just the skeleton behind. So because of how important coral reefs are for their ecosystem,
Makain ng bata
it's
habang
important that we
nanonood.
try to make sure to keep our
Kumain ka rin natin,
as low as possible, as coral reefs are a huge
You're watching too?
global warming.
Daming fish na.
Now we do actually have some